Damn that picture on the top right. Hey everyone, welcome. In this video we'll show you how to see if someone off-swiped on Snapchat without Snapchat Plus. Snapchat doesn't provide a built-in feature to detect half-swipes, even with the Plus. However, you can look for indirect clues to figure out if someone has read your message through a half-swipe without marking it as opened. Firstly, understand half-swiping behavior. It allows someone to preview a chat by partially swiping it from the chat list without spending a red receipt. They won't open the message fully, so Snapchat doesn't mark it as opened. So, while Snapchat doesn't notify you, here are some signs to watch out for. No opened status. If the message status remains as delivered, but they seem to know the content of your message, they might have half-swiped. Quick responses or reactions. If they comment on something related to your chat without officially opening the message. Activity in the chat list. If they're active on Snapchat, for example updating their story or snapping others, but your message isn't marked as read. You can also test the half-swipe yourself by doing the same things that I've just listed above. Observe their patterns. If this happens frequently, you can monitor how they interact with you on Snapchat. Look for patterns where they respond without the message showing as opened. Keep in mind Snapchat updates as well, so this may not always be available as Snapchat regularly tweaks the features. And guys, thanks for watching. If you want more tutorials like this, like the video and subscribe. See you next time.